The Clarke CFJ48 and CFJ60 Farm Jacks are versatile, hand-operated jacks designed for use in many indoor and outdoor applications. These extremely versatile devices are designed to lift, pull or push. Applications are many and varied, from lifting equipment and machinery to removing tree stumps or fence posts, or pulling posts and poles. They can assist with loading and offloading vehicles, moving heavy objects, and tensioning of wire fences. They can equally serve as a hoist or winch. The lever ratchet operation with reversible ratchet mechanism enables the jack to be used for both lifting or lowering. The CFJ60 weighs just 13.7 kilograms and can lift 1,500 kilograms up to a height of 1,320 millimeters. The CFJ48 weighs only 12.6 kilograms and can lift 2,000 kilograms up to a height of 1,020 millimeters. Simple yet effective, the CFJ48 and CFJ60 Farm Jacks are both excellent standby tools that will find many uses around farms, workshops, and for off-roading.